All right, hello, my fellow investors. It's the Intelligent Investor here. And again, I'm going to miss out on that video that I said I was going to put up. But this is more important, a lot more information with this. And this is just something that I need to talk about. And I'm going to talk about AMC. Now, what's going on with these stocks? AMC, again, is happening the same thing that's happening with GameStop. So it's being pushed up and manipulated because eventually the hedge fund is going to have to short squeeze the stock. So this stock is going to shoot up. Is it a good time to buy? I mean, if you want to take the risk, buy into it. This stock can actually hit up 30 by Friday, I'm believing. And it can hit up 80 plus, in the next week or so. So the hedge fund, again, these hedge funds shorted the stock. They shorted it about 70%. So they're going to have to buy it back. Okay. So that's why the reason this stock shot up so much today is because, how do you call it? People are buying into it. Same thing is happening in Reddit. People are shooting up this stock. So, I bought into it and I bought about $1,500 worth yesterday. So, one of my old bosses told me about it and I bought into it, at $5. And it shot up like crazy. I honestly didn't know this stock was going to be shorted like this and stuff. I didn't know anything about it. He's just like, dude, just jump into it. I'm like, all right, I'll buy 100 shares. And I bought into it and boom, made a lot of money so far. So if it hits up to $50 or $80 or even $100, then that is huge gains. Now, people are scared to jump into it right now. And I believe that, you should be a little bit scared. But I feel like this is going to be the same thing with GameStop. Again, like I said, it's 70% shorted, so these companies are going to have to buy back 70% of it. I don't really want to get into too much details into it. Do a little bit more research, and if you want to make some money, then check it here. Another stock I'm going to talk about that's going to happen the same way is Nokia. So Nokia is getting to that point. It's dropped down, but it's close to this stock is being shorted. So what they're doing right now, people are in GameStop. Once GameStop happens, then they're going to move to AMC. And after AMC, they're going to move into Nokia. So people are starting to jump into Nokia. I also bought into Nokia. I bought also 100 shares. So I'm not investing a full amount because, again, it's always a risk in the stock market, especially when it's being manipulated. I'm not a greedy person. I'll be happy with whatever profits I make. But as you see, the volume here is at 919 million. Close to $1 billion. So it's insane, guys. Just know that it's completely insane at the moment. And this past week, as you see, it's just shot up. Not a lot, but as you see, I'm going to show you here in the year. What is it? Yeah, let's see the year. It kind of dropped down and went back up, and it's starting to go back up. So this stock has the potential to actually hit about $30. Because it's being shorted right now. So all this momentum that happened from here to up here is happening because hedge funds shorted it right here. So understand that these were shortages. These are high volume situations where, these greedy companies shorted it and people found out about it and now they're starting to buy up into it again. So Nokia is a potential too. Again, invest at your own risk. This stock can actually do the same price. And I'm telling you, before it does do that, before it squeezes, I'm just trying to tell you guys before, it might do it, it might not. We'll see if people actually start jumping into it as well. It looks like they are. So like I said, they're squeezing the stock up so it can go up in price. So when the hedge funds have to buy, they're going to have to buy these shares at a high price and we'll make our profits. And I know people are saying that that's messed up to the hedge funds, and it's not, guys. These hedge funds have been greedy. The reason they made these short calls and they made those profits from the shorts is because they were using the fear of people like you and me to make their profits. So let's say the stock was let's say $10 and it started dropping and then they shorted the stock, and people like, you and me would have, saw the stock that had dropped down, 20%, and it's like, oh crap, and we're losing money, let's sell out of it, and that's where they make their profit. So, these companies, don't feel bad for them. They're greedy. They make billions and billions of dollars every year, manipulating people like us, and now it's our turn to actually take advantage of that and make some money. So look into it, jump into it, make your profits, and be satisfied with whatever you make. Don't feel like you could have, made more, whatever. Just be happy with what you're getting. It's more than you had yesterday or the day before or the moment before. So just letting you guys know. And even though I'm completely down on my portfolio, I'm completely cool with it. A lot of these stocks are stocks that I feel safe with anyways. The reason these stocks are coming down is because people are jumping out and they're putting all their money in like AMC and all that stuff. So people are going insane right now. Like I said, I'm not worried about any of these stocks. They're all going to recover. But the reason they're coming down is because people are selling off out of these stocks so they can actually jump into AMC, Nokia and all that stuff. People want to get rich right now, so they're putting everything they have into that. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. But again, guys, I'm giving you this information. Please subscribe. It'll help me out. Use the link in the description down below so you can sign up for Acorns. And I'm telling you, you won't regret it. So thank you guys for everything, and I'll see you guys next time.